everyone, welcome back to AFT Hub. My name is Khushbu and this is a series number 4 of our Spoken English and Confidence series. In the previous video, we learned how to remove fear and how to build fluency. But today, we will learn how to make your English sound natural, smooth and confident in real conversation. So let's get started. Technique number 1. Stop sounding like a student. Many learners speak English like they are giving an exam. They speak carefully, slowly and without emotion. But real English is alive. So add feeling to your voice. Change your tone and use expression. For example, not only I am happy. Say I am really happy. Or that made me feel great. Emotion makes English natural. Technique number 2. Use linking words while speaking. Professional speakers connect ideas smoothly. Use linking words like so, because, that's why, but, however. For example, I was nervous but I decided to speak. See, I was nervous but I decided to speak. And this creates the flow and make your speech sound confident. Technique number 3. Learn natural response. In real life, you don't give a long answer. Learn simple and natural response like absolutely, not really, I guess, that depends or sounds good. And this line make your conversation easy. Technique number 4. Speak with rhythm and pauses. Good English is not a fast English. It has rhythm and pause at the right time. For example, to be honest, take pause and then say, I was not ready. And this sounds like, to be honest, I was not ready. Pauses show the confidence, not weakness. Technique number 5. Learn one situation at a time. You don't try to learn everything. Learn one situation. For example, your travel, office, interviews are your daily conversation. Master in one situation, then move to the next. Focused practice gives fast result. Technique number 6. Think less, react more. In real life, you don't get time to think. So practice reacting. Simple reactions like, oh, I see. Really, that interesting. And this line makes your conversation easy and reduce your fear. Technique number 7. Use strong opening lines while speaking. When you start speaking, the first line matters a lot. Strong opening lines like, let me be very clear. One important thing I want to say from my experience, or let me be very clear. And this line gives you control and make people listen carefully. Technique number 8. Don't apologize for your English. Many learners say, sorry, my English is weak. Sorry for my bad English. Stop doing this because your English is work in a progress. So you don't need to say sorry. Instead of speak confidently because people respect the effort, not perfection. And confident speak louder than the grammar. Technique number 9. Use examples while speaking. When you feel stuck, use examples. For examples, English is important. For example, it's help in job and travel. Examples make your English easy, clear, and impressive. And example saves you when the words fail. Technique number 10. Learn to end your sentences strongly. Don't fade your voice at the end. Wrong way. I think English is important. Right way. I think English is important. Ending your sentences clearly show the confidence and control. Technique number 11. Practice thinking out loud. Don't wait for perfect sentences. Practice speaking your tongue. For example, I'm thinking about this. I feel this is a good idea. Yes, I will work. And this line make your English natural and reduce your fear. Technique number 12. Accept silence calmly. Sometimes you don't know what to speak. That's okay. Stay calm, take a small pause, then speak. Silence is not a weakness. Panic is weakness. And do this daily. Speak 1 minute without stopping. Use 2 linking words while speaking. Use 1 examples and end your sentences clearly. A small practice gives the big result. You don't sound confident because you don't practice, not because you don't know English. So English improves when the fear reduces. Speak imperfectly but speak daily. And confidence builds sentence by sentence. And your voice matters, use it. And fluency is not a magic. It is a daily effort. So speak even you feel nervous. Speak when you make mistake. Every time you speak, 1 step you move forward. And if you're valuable in this video, so please like, share, subscribe to FT Hub. I am Khushbu, now shining off. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking and keep growing with the FT Hub. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to FT Hub. My name is Khushbu and this is the series number 3 on spoken English and confidence. In this series, we will focus one big problem. You know English, but you can't speak fluently. You understand English, you know words, you know grammar, but when it's time to speak, you stop. But today, we will break this fear and build the real speaking confidence. So let's begin. Technique number 1. Fluency comes from flow, not grammar. Many learners stop again and again to think about the grammar. And this breaks the fluency. Remember one powerful line. Fluency is the flow, not grammar. It is okay if your grammar is not perfect. What matters is people understand you. So speak continuously. Don't stop for every small mistake. Technique number 2. Learn to paraphrase. Sometimes you forget words and then you stop speaking. Don't stop. Say it in other way. For example, if you forget the word confident, you can say that I feel comfortable while speaking. And this is called paraphrase. Good speaker don't know every words. They know how to manage the words. Technique number 3. Use fillers the right way. Silence creates the fear. Use natural fillers like actually, let me think, you know and well. These sentences give you time to think and keep conversation going. Native speakers also use this filler. So don't feel guilt and smart pauses give confidence. Technique number 4. Think in ideas, not sentences. Don't memorize full sentences. Think in idea. For example, if the idea is my job, you can say that I work in office. My job is challenging and I enjoy my work. One ideas and many sentences, and this make our speaking easy and natural. Technique number 5. Train your mouth daily. English fluency is physical and your mouth needs training. Read aloud, newsline, subtitles and short paragraph. Speak loudly. Open your mouth clearly. 5 minutes daily is enough and your mouth learns by repetition. Technique number 6. Confidence is a habit and confidence doesn't come suddenly. It is a habit. A small actions like speaking one sentence daily, answering yourself in English, correcting less and speaking more. Over the time, your fear becomes weaker and your confidence becomes stronger. And now let's do the simple practice. Answer these questions loudly. What do you do? Why do you want to learn English? And what is biggest fear while speaking? Don't write, don't think too much, just speak. And one of the most important thing, you don't need to perfect English. You need to brave English. Every time you speak, you improve. Every time you try, you grow. And if you found this video is very helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to FT Hub. And this is the Khushbu shining off. See you in the next video with next series. Keep learning, keep speaking and keep growing. Hello everyone, welcome back to FT Hub. My name is Khushbu and this is the series number 2 on how to improve your spoken English and speak with confidence in real situation. In the last video, we talked about basic technique, but today we will go one step deeper and learn how to think in English, how to remove fear and how to sound confident in real situation. So stay with me till the end. Technique number 1. Stop translating in your mind. This is a very common problem. Most of the learners first think in Hindi and they translate into the English, and this creates delay, confusion and fear. So from today, stop translating word by word. Instead, think in simple English thoughts. For example, not think मैं office जा रहा हूँ and then you translate it, but directly think I'm going to office. Start with simple sentences and slowly your mind will adjust. Remember, thinking in English builds your confidence. Technique number 2. Speak even if your English is not perfect. Many people say, I will speak when my English becomes perfect. But perfect English never comes first. Speaking comes first and perfection comes later. If you are speaking wrong, it's okay. If your grammar is weak, it's okay. What is important? You are speaking and confidence grows only when you speak regularly. Technique number 3. Use daily life English. Don't learn bookish English only. Learn daily life English. Use the sentences like, let me check, give me a moment, I'll get back to you. That makes sense. I'm not sure about that. These sentences are simple but very powerful. And when you use them, your English sounds real and natural. Technique number 4. Practice loudly, not silently. Many people practice only in their mind. They read English, they listen to English, but they don't speak loudly. So from today, practice out loud. Speak in front of the mirror, mobile camera or empty room. Your mouth needs training. Your tongue needs practice. And one more important thing, English is not only a language, it is a speaking skill. Technique number 5. Control your fear, not English. Many people don't fear English, they fear judgment. What will people think, or what if I make mistake? But let me tell you something important. People are busy with their own lives. So speak for yourself and improve for yourself. Because confidence is not about perfect English, it is about clear thinking. Technique number 6. Create an English environment. You need not to go abroad. Create English around you. Change your mobile language to English. Talk to yourself in English. Watch English videos and follow the English speaking channels. A small change, a big result. And here is the simple challenge for you for the next 7 days. Day 1 to 2. Talk about yourself. Day 3 to 4. Talk about your daily routine. Day 5 to 6, talk about your goal. And day 7, talk freely for 3 minutes. Record yourself every day. And after 7 days, you feel the confidence. One more important thing, English is not about talent. It is about consistency. And if you found this video is very helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to FT Hub. This is the Khushbu shining up. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep speaking English. Hello everyone, welcome back to FT Hub. My name is Khushbu, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can improve your spoken English and speak confidently in daily life. Many English learners feel nervous. They think English is very difficult. They're afraid of making mistakes. But let me tell you one simple truth. English is not difficult. It becomes easy when you practice in right way. And in this video, I will share you simple, practical and powerful technique that will help you speak English clearly, confidently and naturally. So watch this video till the end. Technique number 1 is speak slowly. The first and most important technique is speak slowly. Many people think if I speak fast, my English will sound good. But this is wrong. When you speak fast, you feel nervous. You make more mistakes and you forget words. But when you speak slow, you think clearly. You choose right word and you sound more confident. Remember, slow English is the good English. So from today, reduce your speed a little. Speak slowly and speak clearly. Technique number 2. Use short sentences. The second technique is use short and simple sentences. Short sentences help you avoid mistakes, feel relaxed and communicate better. For example, instead of saying a long sentence like I want to improve my English because my communication is weak, I feel nervous. You can say that I want to improve my English. I feel nervous while speaking. And this sounds simple, clear and powerful. Always remember, simple English is the good English. Technique number 3. Listen and repeat. Now let's talk about one of the fastest technique, listen and repeat. Listen to the good speakers, podcast, YouTube videos and interview. First just listen, then pause the video and repeat the same sentences. Copy their pronunciation, tone, pauses and confidence. And this method improves your spoken English. So do this daily for 10 to 15 minutes and you will see the differences. Technique number 4 is speak in chunks. The next technique is speak in chunks. Chunks are the small groups of the word that native speaker use again and again. For example, at end of the day, in my opinion, as a matter of fact, let me show my examples are to be honest. If you use the chunks in your English, then your English sound fluent, natural and professional. So start learning English in chunks, not only single words. Technique number 5. Don't fear mistake. This is the most important technique. Don't fear mistake. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Making mistake means you are learning. If you do not make mistake, you are not practicing enough. So never feel shy and never stop speaking. Be proud of yourself and be proud of your progress. And now I want to give you one simple daily task. Choose any topic like your daily routine, your dream, your job, or your studies and speak for a few minutes every day. And record your voice on your mobile and listen to it. And you will see the improvement within 1 week. And one of the most important thing, English is a skill and any skill improves with practice. So keep practicing, keep learning and keep growing. And if you found this video is helpful, so please like, share, subscribe to UFT and thank you so much for watching this video. This is the Khushbu signing off. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep speaking English.